Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this particular video, I am going to discuss about uh, the gravitational potential energy. Clear? What is the topic? The topic will be the gravitational potential energy. This is specifically belongs to the chapter energy. Clear? That is, I think that is your fourth chapter. Clear? Basically, that is a requested video. Clear? So that I am making this video. So don't delay, let's proceed to the session. Gravitational potential energy. What is the topic? Gravitational potential energy. Clear? So that means the basic thing is potential energy. Clear? So what is this? Just read this para. Gravitational potential energy is the energy stored in an object as the result of its vertical position or height. So basically, gravitational potential energy depends on the vertical position or height. Clear? Again, there is also another thing that is also mass, but still, the very important thing is it depends on the again that is the result of the change of vertical position or height. Clear? The energy, the energy the energy is stored as a result of gravitational attraction. Clear? So why such kind of energy stored? The reason behind it is the gravitational attraction. What is this? The gravitational attraction. This clear? Clear or not? I hope it is clear. The gravitational attraction here, it is earth. That's why the gravitational attraction of earth. Clear? Clear or not? So gravitational potential energy টা আসছে কেন? Due to the attraction of the earth. Clear? অর্থাৎ পৃথিবীর আকর্ষণের জন্য। ধরো এটা একটা body. Let's say that is a body. যদি আমরা এটাকে যদি ছেড়ে দিই তাহলে what will happen? It will go downward direction. So why downward direction? This phenomena happens due to, tell me, due to attraction of the earth. That is attraction towards the earth. নিজের দিকে। Clear? Okay. I hope it is clear. This para is clear. Just tell me, is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? Just little bit revision. That means just last time, just I am saying. So this gravitational potential energy comes due to the vertical position or height, due to the change of. Clear? That is the first thing. Again, the attraction of the earth. The পৃথিবীর আকর্ষণের জন্য gravitational potential energy কি হয়? Create হয়। Clear? Clear or not? I hope it is clear. Now read the next para. The next para is the gravitational potential energy of an object. The gravitational potential energy of an object is depend on two variables. It's depend on two variables. So what kind of variables? Two variables. That means two variables depend on. The first one is the mass. The first one is the mass of the object. Clear? Mass of the object. That means একটা body mass কত? Let's say that is a mobile. Clear? এটাকে যদি আমি নিচের দিকে ফেলি তাহলে কি হবে? It will go in the downward direction. Definitely. So it depends. Basically, it depends on the mass of the body. That means whatever the mass. Let's say the mass of the mobile is 1 kg. That is not possible, but still ধরে নাও যে এই মোবাইলটার মাস কত 1 কেজি। ক্লিয়ার? সো মাসের উপর ডিপেন্ড করে। মেবি একটা মোবাইলের মাস যদি 2 কেজি হয়, if a mass of a mobile is 2 kg, but you can consider a brick, mass of a brick is 2 kg. Clear? So মাসের উপর ডিপেন্ড করছে গ্র্যাভিটেশনাল পোটেনশিয়াল এনার্জির ভ্যালু, the first condition. And in the second condition, what is the second condition? The second condition is the height from the ground. মানে কি বলা আছে, গ্রাউন্ড মানে মাটির লেভেল। ক্লিয়ার? মাটি লেভেল মিনস বেসিক্যালি সি লেভেলকে আমরা কনসিডার করি। তো সি লেভেল থেকে যে হাইটটা হচ্ছে, লেটস সে দিস হাইট, একটা ফোনকে আমরা কি করছি, এখান থেকে একটা হাইটে ফেলছি, লেটস সে দিস ইজ সি লেভেল। তো সি লেভেল টু গ্রাউন্ড, ক্লিয়ার, দিস হাইট হোয়াট, এই যে হাইটটা, ক্লিয়ার? ক্লিয়ার অর নট, জাস্ট টেল মি। I hope it is clear. So basically it depends on the two variables. The first one is the mass of the body or mass of the object, and the second one is the height from the ground. Clear? Height from the ground. Clear? If the mass of the object is more, if the mass of the object is more, clear? Or if the height of the object is more, clear? Whatever, if the mass of the object is more or height of the object is more, then the gravitational potential, then it has more gravitational potential energy, or the value of the gravitational potential energy will also increase. Clear? Clear or not? Just tell me this thing. I hope it is clear. Again one thing, so what is the mathematical formula? Just I want to discuss about this particular topic, that means this particular para, so that it will be crystal clear. The gravitational potential energy is calculated using the formula, that means potential energy or PE equal to m g and h. Clear? What is this? M, G and H. Just a minute. So what is M? M is the mass of a body. Clear? What is G? G is the acceleration due to gravity. That means একটা বডিকে আমরা যখন উপর থেকে নিচের দিকে ফেলছি তাহলে কি হয়, সেখানে অ্যাক্সিলারেশন কাজ করে। Clear? There works the acceleration. Again, this acceleration works due to gravity. That means due to attraction of the earth. Clear? That's why M multiplied by G into H. What is H? This H is the vertical position or height. This is the vertical position or height, whatever you want to consider. The pictorial diagram will be, let's say this is a ground level. ধরে নাও এটা কি একটা ground level. Again let's say that is a height. Clear? That is a specific height. ধরে নাও, just consider it. Clear? Okay. এবার এই প্লেস থেকে, দ্যাট মিন্স দিস হাইট, এটা উঁচু জায়গা থেকে জাস্ট লেটস সে তুমি একটা স্টোনকে নিচের দিকে ফেলছো। ক্লিয়ার? তুমি কি করছো, একটা স্টোনকে অথবা পাথরকে কি করছো, নিচের দিকে ফেলছো। সো হোয়াট উইল বি দ্য হাইট? The height will be here. What will be the value of the height? Height will be this height. Clear? Just a minute. So what will be the height? The height will be this one. Clear? This one will be the height, that means h. Clear or not? Just tell me this line. I hope this is clear. Again, let's say the mass of the stone is, let's say this is a stone. Just imagine, clear, that is a piece of the stone. Clear? That is a piece of the stone. Let's say that is this one. Clear? Again, the mass of the stone is, just consider it is m. What is the mass? The mass is m. Clear? Again, that is h, this height is h, and the mass of the stone is m. That means যখন তুমি একটা স্টোনকে একটা হাইট থেকে যখন নিচের দিকে ফেলছো, দ্যাট মিন্স এই স্টোনটাকে ধরো তুমি এখান থেকে এখানে ফেলে দিবে। Clear? Clear or not? Just tell me like that. এখান থেকে কি করলে, এখান থেকে ড্রপ করলে একদম এখানে ছেড়ে দিলে। ক্লিয়ার? একটা হাইট থেকে কি করলে তুমি নিচের দিকে একটা স্টোনকে ফেলে দিলে। দ্যাট মিনস হিয়ার the three parametric is there. The first parameter is m, that means the mass of the body. Second one is g, that means the acceleration due to gravity. Again the third one is h means the height of the body, and that means the height from the particular position. Clear? So where m is the mass of the object, clear, that means let's say the stone, mass of the stone. Clear? Again the second point is h is the height of the object. Clear? And the third point is g is the acceleration due to gravity. Clear? The first thing, the very important topic, that is potential energy. What will be the unit of the potential energy? Potential energy unit কি হবে? The unit of the potential energy will be the unit of the energy. Clear or not? Potential energy মানে কি? ওটা হচ্ছে একটা এনার্জির পার্ট, that is a part of energy. That's why the unit will be the unit of energy. Again, what is the SI unit of energy? Just tell me, what is the SI unit of the energy? The SI unit of the energy is, just tell me, what is? Joule. Clear or not? Clear? Again the CGS unit, arc. Clear? The CGS unit of the work is arc. The SI unit of the work is joule. Clear? Again work and energy same type of, that means the unit will be the same, not same type, the unit will be the same. So that's why the SI unit of the potential energy will be also joule, and the CGS unit will be arc. Clear? Clear or not? This is not given in your theory part. Clear? Theory to mother dewa nei, but still you have to understand this thing. Clear? Just tell me. So if there is any doubt, just you can write in the comment section also, so that I can understand what is the problem. Clear? Again, so what is the that means m is the mass of the body. So in SI, what will be the unit of the mass? The unit of the mass will be kg. Here kilogram. Clear? Again just tell me, what is the unit of the mass in the CGS form? Meter, gram, just tell me. Gram. Okay, so what will be the SI unit, sorry, CGS unit of the mass? Gram. Okay, CGS, G stands for gram, simple thing. Clear? Now what will be the height? What will be the height in the unit of SI? SI will be meter, and CGS will be centimeter. Clear? যদি CGS এ থাকতো then. Okay, now just tell me, what is the value of the G in SI? The value of the G in SI is 9.8 meter per second square. Clear? What is this? The value of the G is, that means G means acceleration due to gravity. Again that is also average value, that is not a fixed value, just the value is 9.8 meter per second square. Clear? But you can consider also 10 meter per second square, so it will be easy for calculation. If you consider 10 meter per second square, then it will be easy for calculation. Clear? Okay, clear or not? Just tell me. So one thing, if the value of the h, that means height, is 0, but still there is a mass, that means let's say a body is in the ground level, a body belongs to or is in the ground level, in that particular time, what will be the value of potential energy? Just tell me. If the value of the age or the height of the body is 0 or in the ground level, so tell me what will be the value of the potential energy? That's a very interesting, a very simple thing. Why simple? Because the value of the age is 0. So again we know PE or potential energy equal to mgh, where age is present. Again the value of the age is 0. So if age is 0, then potential energy will be also 0. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? So height এর উপরে কতটা ডিপেন্ড করে দেখো, if the value of the age is increases, clear, h এর ভ্যালু যদি বেশি হয়, that means high. Clear? h এর ভ্যালু যদি হাই হয়, in that particular time the value of the potential energy will be also high. Clear? h বাড়লে কি হবে, potential energy বাড়বে. If h will increase, then PE or potential energy will also increase. Same thing, if the mass of the body will increase, that means if the mass of the body is high, in that particular time the value of the potential energy will be also high. Clear? Clear or not? Just tell me this thing. Okay, so এইগুলো এখানে লেখা ছিল. Clear? Okay, so 0 কখন হবে, when the value of the potential energy will be 0. The same thing, just simple thing, sir. If the value of the height is 0, that means if the body is in the ground level or সমুদ্র পৃষ্ঠে থাকে, ground level মানে কি বলে, বেসিক্যালি সমুদ্র পৃষ্ঠ বোঝায়, বাট স্টিল অনেক কিছু কনসিডার করা যায়, বাট গ্রাউন্ড লেভেল মিন্স সমুদ্র পৃষ্ঠ. ক্লিয়ার? বেসিক্যালি মানে জাস্ট জেনারেল কনসেপ্ট. আবার ডিপ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং ধরো না, বিকজ ডিপ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং দ্যাট ইজ ডিফারেন্ট থিং. Clear? Simply if you thought that the value of the age, if the body is in the ground level, then the value of the age is 0. Clear? So that the potential energy will be also 0. Clear? Clear or not? Again, sir, g এর ভ্যালু কি 0 হতে পারে? Is it possible? The value of the g is 0. Yes, that is also possible. That is also possible. Again, the value of the g is not a fixed value. Again, this value, that means 9.8 meter per second square, that means the acceleration, that is not a fixed value, that is also average value. Clear? g এর ভ্যালু কি হতে পারে, হাইটের চেঞ্জ হওয়ার সঙ্গে সঙ্গে g এর ভ্যালু কি হতে পারে, চেঞ্জ হতে পারে. Clear? We will discuss that thing when you will be in the class 9. Clear? In that particular time we will discuss in detail. Just that thing that is important, so I just want to discuss about it. Now coming to the next point, that means some example, some solved example, that is very easy. Just read this para. Let me read this question. A boy has a mass of 55 kg. একটা বয়ের মাস কত, 55 kg. That means m is given. He climbs 10 meters up on a tree. সে কি করেছে, গাছের উপরে 10 মিটার উপরে উঠেছে. Clear? What is the gravitational potential energy? What is his gravitational potential energy, or calculate the gravitational potential energy of this boy? A simple thing, sir. Nothing is there. Age is also given. That means height means he climbs means what? Height. গাছের উপরে উঠছে মানে কি, গ্রাউন্ড থেকে, গাছ কোথায় থাকে, মাটিতে থাকে তো নাকি, গ্রাউন্ড থেকে 10 মিটার উপরে উঠছে গাছের উপরে. Let's say this is ground and this is a 10 meter. Okay, just imagine. Clear? So it is 10 meter, right? That is 10 meter. Again, the mass of the boy is 55 kg. So m also there, height also there, 10 meter. Clear? Again, the last point is g. Just put it 10 meter per second square. Clear? Again, just remember this value. You have to memorize 9.8 meter per second square or approximately 10 meter per second square. Just put this value. Again, you know what is the expression of potential energy? What is the expression? Just tell me. What is the expression? The expression of potential energy is mgh. Again, m equal to 55, g equal to 10, not this 10. Just you have to memorize this value. Clear? This 10 is different, not this 10. Clear? G equal to 10 meter per second square. Clear? Again, h equal to here 10 meter. That is the given data. Clear? Just simplify this. 10 multiplied by 10, that means 100 multiplied by 55. The answer will be 5500. Clear? The answer will be 5500. Now just tell me what will be the answer, what will be the unit of potential energy? Sir, that is given. Clear? Joule. So if all the values in the CGS form, then what will be the answer of the potential energy? Just tell me. Just tell me. Just put in the comment section. Okay, I will not tell. Just you have to tell this. If all the data, let's say that is 55 kg. If there is 55 gram, please clear. If there is 10 centimeter, clear. Just you now you have to tell me. So what will be the value of potential energy? That means what will be the unit of potential energy? Just this thing. Just you have to tell me. Okay. So that is your home task. Again, write in the comment section of this video. Clear? Again, example number 2. Okay, one thing, 5500 joule. 5500 joule means 5.5 kilojoule. Clear? Here 20 is there, 00. Again, if you want to convert it into kilo, then you have to divide it by 1000. Clear? জুল থেকে কিলো করতে গেলে কি করতে হবে? You have to divide it by 1000. 1000 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করতে হবে. Why? Because kilo, hecto, deca, mi. Clear? So just division, kilo, hecto, deca, mi, meter, something like that. That is the thing. So you have to divide by 1000. So if you divide, then you will get 5.5. Simple thing. 5.5 kilojoule. Clear? What will be the value of the potential energy? The value of the potential energy will be 5.5 kilojoule. Clear? আচ্ছা, এখানে একটা কথা মনে পড়ে গেল। ও তো গাছের উপরে বসছিল নাকি 55 কেজি, এবার গাছ থেকে তো নিচে পড়ে গেল। ক্লিয়ার? বসতে বসতে গাছ থেকে নিচে পড়ে গেছে। So now just tell me what will be the value of potential energy? যখন এর মাটিতে পড়ে গেল, can you tell me? Yes, the answer will be 0. Clear? Sir, why 0? Because সে যখন মাটিতে পড়ে গেল মানে কি? What will be the value of the H? What will be the value of the H? H is 0. উপরে ছিল 10 মিটার, 10টা কমে কমে কি হলো 0 মিটার। মাটিতে পড়ে যাবে নাকি 0 মিটার। So that time mgh, if H is 0, then PE will be also 0. Clear? Clear or not? I hope it is clear. Now coming to the next point, that means example number 2. An owl has a mass of 3 kg. Clear? প্যাঁচার একটা ওজন কত 3 কেজি। Clear? It drives to catch a mouse, এটা ইঁদুর ধরার জন্য, of 900 joule. Clear? 900 joule. That is very very important of potential energy. Again, potential energy যদি নাও থাকতে পারে না, ক্লিয়ার, এটা নাও বলতে পারে। So now you have to calculate how much how height was the bar. Clear? To begin with. So height টা কত হবে? Just simple thing, একটা আউল আছে, আউলের মাছ আছে 3 কেজি। ক্লিয়ার? যে কি করেছে, একটা ইঁদুর ধরেছে, যে মাস কত, যে ইন্দুরটা ধরেছে তখন ইন দ্যাট পার্টিকুলার টাইম the value of the potential energy is 900 joule. Clear? So just you have to calculate what is the height যখন ইন্দুরটাকে যখন ধরছে। ক্লিয়ার? একটা আউল যখন ইন্দুরটাকে ধরছে তখন তার হাইটটা কত ছিল, what will be the height of this thing? Very simple thing, sir. M is given data. From given data it is clear that the value of the M is 3 kg, the value of the potential energy is 900 g, 900 j joule. Again now you know what is the value of g. G is 10 meter per second square. What is g? G means acceleration due to gravity. G is 10 meter per second square. So now Pe equal to mgh, you know very well. Just you need to calculate h, that means you need to calculate the value of the height. So h will be equal to Pe by mg. H equal to, what will be h? H equal to Pe by mg. Simple thing. H equal to what will be? Pe, potential energy, by m into g. So what is the value of potential energy? Here the value of the potential energy is 900 joule. Clear? Put it here, 900 joule divided by what will be the value of mass. Mass is, that means the mass of the owl is, just tell me, 3 kg. Just put it here. Again, what is the value of g? G equal to 10. So 900 divided by 3 into 10, that means 900 divided by 30. So 900 divided by 30 means 3. Clear? So what will be the unit? The unit will be 3 meter. Why meter, sir? Why meter? Because the mass is in the kg, that means in the SI form. Similarly, potential energy is also in the joule, that means SI form. Again, g equal to 10 meter per second square, that is also SI. So the answer will be also in the SI form. That's why you have to write 3 meter. Clear? Clear or not? Just tell me. Clear or not? Is there any doubt? Okay, I hope there is no doubt, but still if you have any doubt you can ask. That is the example number 3. Just read this para. Let me read the question. A box of books. Clear? Weighting koto? What is the weight? Here weight means actually mass. Clear? Weight is little bit different concept, but still here you have to consider it is mass. Mass of 80 kg. Clear? Is on a table of 75 centimeter height. Clear? তোমাদের যে বই টেবিলের উপরে কি থাকে, অনেক বই থাকে না, তো সেই বইয়ের মাস কত, not weighted specifically, that will be mass of 80 kg. ক্লিয়ার? তাহলে একটা টেবিলের উপরে কি করেছো, 80 কেজির বই আছে। এবার টেবিলটা গ্রাউন্ড থেকে 75 সেন্টিমিটার হাইটে আছে। হোয়াট ইজ দ্য পোটেনশিয়াল এনার্জি? হোয়াট ইজ ইটস পোটেনশিয়াল এনার্জি রিলেটিভ টু দ্য ফ্লোর? ফ্লোরের রেসপেক্টে। হেয়ার অলসো ইউ হ্যাভ টু টেক দ্য ভ্যালু অফ দ্য জি ইজ 10 মিটার পার সেকেন্ড স্কোয়ার। ক্লিয়ার? So very simple thing, sir. M equal to 80 kg. M equal to 80 kg. H equal to 75 centimeter. Now just think. This is SI. That means kg. This one centimeter. That is CGS. So you have to convert it to SI. Clear? Centimeter to meter. So what will be the value? The answer will be 0.75 meter. Clear? If you want to convert centimeter to meter, then centimeter to meter, just you have to divide by, just tell me this thing, you have to divide by 100. Clear? Meter, decimeter, centimeter. Meter উপরে কি আছে? মিটার উপরে decimeter, again centimeter. So 10 into 10, that means 100. So you have to divide 75 by 100. So if you divide, then you will get 0.75 meter. Is it clear or not? Just tell me. Clear? That is not given. Clear? এটা করে দেওয়া নাই, but still I am just telling. 75 divided by 100. So 75 divided by 100 means 0.75 meter. Clear? Again the value of the G is 10 meter per second square, that is applied value. Again you have to remember this, that is your task. So just put this thing, that means P equal to mgh, m equal to 80, G equal to 10, H equal to 0.75. Clear? Now just calculate this, that means just multiply 80 into 10, that means 800. Clear? Into 75, or sorry, into 0.75, just divide it, that means 0.75 divided by 100. Clear? Just simplify this value, then you will get 8 into 75. Clear? So the answer will be 600. Clear? So the what will be the unit? Unit will be joule. Clear? Unit will be joule. Why joule? Because all is in the SI form. All this thing, that means m, h, everything is the SI form. G. So the answer will be clear. Answer will be joule. I hope it is clear. So that's all for today. We will meet in the another session. Still one thing, if you have any doubt, just you can put it in the comment section so that we can understand. Clear? Again one thing, just send your homework. Clear? I just want to see whether you are working or not. Otherwise there will be some another thing, কিছু আলাদা কিছু হয়ে যাবে. So just do your homework and send it. So that's all for today. We will meet in the another video. Till then, tata, bye bye.